How many of you here have ever played with Legos when you were younger? Or how many of you have at least played with something similar, such as building blocks or other construction toys? Okay, I see quite a few hands. Well, many of you may be surprised when I tell you that building a computer can be as simple as putting a Lego set together. Today I'm going to be telling you about the benefits of building your own computer. According to a study from cron.com, building your own computer is oftentimes far cheaper than purchasing a pre-built computer. It may be tailored to your own personal needs, your overall knowledge on computer components is expanded, and you are able to upgrade it in the future at your own pace. In other words, building a computer can have many benefits to those of you who are in need of one or who simply just need a replacement. Today I'm going to share some information with you on the benefits that building computers will have in your work, academic, and personal life. You will also learn about the 3 main reasons on why building a computer is useful and convenient for you. The 3 main benefits we are going to be going over today are affordability, upgradability, and how computers are tailored for your own personal needs. According to an article done by techguided.com called 14 Reasons Why You Should Build a PC, we learn about one of our first benefits, which is affordability. Building your own computer is naturally less expensive because you can pick out what parts you need and what parts you want to spend money on for your computer. You will also be able to spend less money by purchasing used parts and using these parts to create a new system. Lastly, you can also save money because you won't have to worry about paying a build fee, and you can spend that extra money you saved elsewhere, such as a stronger component or an additional component. Now that you know about how affordable building computers is, we are going to talk about another superb benefit of building a computer, which is upgradability. Now, firstly, according to an article from NZXT on the 5 benefits of building a PC, we learn about another one of our top 3, which is how easy it is to upgrade your computer once you build it. First of all, since you are the one putting your parts together and into your system, you also have the choice to upgrade each individual part in the future as you please. Many computer parts can be easily sold online, and you can sell your old parts and use the money you earned to buy new ones for your system. Very similarly to how people purchase and sell used cars and auto parts. Lastly, many computer components are not required to be upgraded for many years. However, when the time does come to upgrade, it can be as simple as pulling your old part out and inserting and plugging in the new one. Okay, now that you guys have learned about some of the amazing benefits that building your own computer has to offer, I'm going to tell you about one of the most important ones, which is that when you build your own computer, you have the ability to tailor it to your own personal needs. Some people may need to use computers for editing, some may use it for gaming, others may use it for programming, and some may use it for all 3. No matter the case, when you build your computer, you build it for whatever purpose you need it. Now, when you build it, you decide what parts you're going to need in order to better suit your purpose. If you want to be able to multitask more efficiently, you could choose to buy a stronger processor and go cheaper on storage if you like. Or if you're a content creator, you can purchase more storage to hold your media. Lastly, the combinations of computer parts are endless. And when you build your own computer, it is unique to your own personal needs. And it will benefit you the most because you built it and it is going to do what you intended it to do. Now that you've heard about the top 3 benefits of building your own computer, I'm going to move on to my final thoughts and ideas on why you should build a computer for yourself and the benefits that it offers. Overall, building your own computer can have many benefits. And the three most important ones are affordability, upgradability, and the ability to be tailored to your own personal needs. So next time you go out to an electronics store such as Best Buy or Walmart, and you see a nice looking computer on the shelf, but then you look at the price tag or the features that it offers and you think, is this really for me? Just think about the benefits that you can have if you choose to build your own. Thank you.